Sara. I'm here to answer any questions about the products and services at 0800 Repair. Ask me a question and I'll do my best to answer, or point you in the right direction. I can also make an appointment for you, just ask. I think you may be interested in this. I think this will answer your question. I think this will answer your question. I think this will answer your question. Have a look at the links below. Is this what you're looking for? Let's complete the appliance repair form to make an appointment with one of our engineers. Could you tell me your surname? Okay, that's added for you. Could you type your phone number, please? I've got that. Can you tell me your email, please? Okay, that's added for you. What's your address? I've got that. Could you tell me your postcode? I've added the information in the form. What's the make of your appliance? I've got that. Please, let me know the type of appliance you have. I've added the information. Please, let me know the model of your appliance. Okay, that's added for you. What's the SNO of your appliance? I've added the information in the form. What's the supply date of your appliance? I've added the information. Could you please write a description of your model? I've got that. Please tell me when would the appointment be convenient for you. I've got that. Can you describe what the problem is with the appliance? I've got that. All the required fields have been successfully filled in. All the required fields have been successfully filled in.